How to retire early with a middle-class salary. Hi, I'm Melanie. In this channel, I'll share with you guys my best strategy to achieve financial freedom and living life fully. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how you can create a habit that will lead you to achieve financial independence. Now, the first step is figuring out your income and expenses. So I want you to pull up all your bank statement for the past 6 months and figure out exactly what is your average income and what is your average expenses. Now, the second step is to set a financial goal. Now, you don't have to look too far. Just use your current lifestyle habit as your financial goal. How much income would you like to have right now every month to live comfortably? Now, the key is comfortably, not luxuriously, just comfortably. Use that as your starting goal. Now, the third step is allocating your money. So you will need to set up 4 different accounts. Now, the first one are for essential and the second one is for your own spending. I'm not going to dwell on these 2 accounts because it's pretty self-explanatory. Now, the third account is what I call an emergency fund account. I want you to set aside money every month to be put into this account. So how much money do I need to put in this account, you might ask? My theory is about 6 months worth of your expenses. Calculate how much it is for you to live comfortably for 6 months. That will be the amount that you need to put in this account. Be disciplined with yourself and top money up into this account every single month. Do the mathematics yourself and figure out how much you need to put into this account every month so that you hit that goal within 1 to 2 year maximum. Once you reach the goal of having 6 months worth of expenses in this account, stop putting more money in it. If you ever need to use money from this account, always top it back up. Only use this account if you literally cannot live the next day without using this fund. You never want to endlessly top this account up because it's pointless. Putting unnecessary cash into this account is wasting your money. The money that you put in your bank depreciates by the second. There's better way to spend those excess cash than to put into this account. The quicker you reach the target amount you need for this account, the quicker you can have excess cash that you don't need to top up into this account anymore, and you can use those cash for investment instead. Which leads me to your next account, which is the investment fund account. I want you to put in at least 10% or more of your monthly income into this account. Use this account to invest in anything that would help build that passive income to reach your desired financial goal to live comfortably. If you find this video useful so far, don't forget to hit that bell notification button and share this video with your friends. If you find that after calculating all your essential and your spending that you don't have enough money to allocate to your emergency fund or your investment fund, what do you do then? 2 ways. You gotta cut your costs or increase your income. Now, cut down everything that is not absolutely survival essential. Cut down on all your monthly expenses. No more buying coffee, have coffee at home instead. No more Netflix subscription. No more buying things from iTunes. No more gym membership. Anything, move to a cheaper location. Change your phone plan to a cheaper plan. Anything you do, get that cost down as much as you can. Now, the next thing you need to do is up your income. How are you gonna do that? Get a side job. Learn the skills that you're working right now so you get a promotion. You know, if you're in a sales commission-based sort of job, then learn a better skills to close the deal so then you get higher commission every month. Basically, learn to sacrifice what's comfortable for you right now. Sacrifice your lifestyle right now for the benefit of your ideal retirement goal. If you're willing to do everything that's mentioned just above, you're a lot closer to your dream than you think. So stop waiting. Get out that bank statement, start calculating your expenses, start doing all these steps. I will see you in the next video.